Good morning, guys. I hope you all are doing good today. So, today we are going to do the rest of our word problems. Let's get started. So, let's read number 5. A gardener used 12 liters of water to water the plants on Tuesday. So, he used 12 liters of water on Tuesday. He used 5 liter less water. He didn't use 5 liter, but he used 5 liter less than this 12 liter on Wednesday. So this 5 liters are less than this 12 liters. They are not the actual amount of water he used, but they are less than this 12 liter that he used yesterday. So he used 5 liter less water on Wednesday. How much water did he use on the 2 days? Before we actually do how much water did he use, we have to find out how much water did he used on Wednesday. So let's write like this. Water used on Tuesday. It was how many liter, guys? Yes, it was 12 liters. So we'll write 12 and L for liters. Now, water used on Wednesday. We don't know how much water did he use, but what we know is that it was 5 liter less, right, guys? So we'll minus or take away 5 from this 12. So 12 minus 5. We cannot take away 5 from the 2's. So we have to borrow from our neighbor. So it will become 12. So take 12 in your mind, take away 5 and start counting afterwards. What is count after 5 till 12? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So it is 7. So he used 7 liters. Now we know that he used only 7 liters on Wednesday. So now we have to find out how much water did he used on the 2 days. So water used on 2 days is equal to, on Tuesday he used 12 and on Wednesday he used 7. So 12 plus 7. Now 7 plus 2 is how much? 7 in your mind, always put big number in your mind and add the rest of them and 2 fingers up. So count after 7. 8, 9. So how much did he use? He used 9 and there is nothing to add up in this one. So 1 will come down as it is. So it is 19 liters. The water used on total, we'll write total water used was 19 liters. Okay, now let's do the number 2. It says the children, number 6, it says the children drank 16 liters of orange juice, 18 liters of mango juice, and 45 liters of apple juice at Saima's birthday party. What was the total amount of juice the children drank? So let's do it. So we're gonna write orange juice, which was how many liters? Yes, it was 16 liters. So orange juice is 16 liter. Then they had mango juice. So we will write mango juice and it was how many liters? 18, right? So it was 18 liter. And then we have another juice, that is apple juice. So we will write apple juice, which was how many liters? 45. They must have fun having so much of juice. Okay, now you can see that there are 3 numbers that need to add up. So first we will add the top numbers because we have to find the total amount. That's why we are adding. So 8 plus 6. 8 in your mind, count after 8. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Now the answer is 14 for here, but now we have to add this 5 in them. Now after 14, count 5 more. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So they are 19. Again 19 is a double digit number, so we'll write the tens place 9 over here, and the 1 will get carried over here. The ones place 9 was written here and the tens place 1 was carried. Now we'll add them. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 1, 3. Now 3 in your mind, 4 fingers up because we have to add them. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is 7. So they had 79 liter of juice. So we will write total amount of juice was 79 liters. Now we are on page 135. Let's do problem number 7. Mary poured 21 liter of oil equally into some bottles. Each bottle contained 3 liter of oil. How many bottles did she use? So the total amount of oil was 21 liters. So the total oil, we have the total oil. We have the big number 21 liter, and we don't know how many bottles did she had, but what we know that each bottle had 3 liter of oil. So each bottle had 3 liter of oil. Now what we need to find out is how many bottles did she use. We need to find out the number of bottles. So for finding out number of bottles, what we need to do is we need to put this 21 liter into the bottles equally, having 3 liter in each. So we need to divide them. 21 divided by 3. If you know the table of 3, you must know for how much is 21. 3 times what is 21. And if you don't remember your 3 table, you guys should start practicing them. But for now, what you can do, you can draw 21 lines and make a group of 3s like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, and make a group of 3s. Over here one group, over here the second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and seventh. So they are how many groups? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So they have 7 groups. We have 7 groups. So 21 divided by 3 is 7. So they had 7 bottles. Now we can write she used 7 bottles. Okay, now the last problem for today. Mr. Akram sold 8 barrels of cooking oil. Each barrel contained 5 liters of oil. What was the total volume of oil Mr. Akram sold? So he sold 8 barrels, and each barrel had 5 liter. So we need to know that, like for example, you have so many bottles and each bottle you have 10 bottles and each bottle had 2 liters of water. So we need to multiply, we need to add them, but adding is a long process. So cutting the long process short, we have to multiply them. We have to do times table over here, and the table is of 5. So total barrels were how many? Total barrels were 8. We had 8 barrels. And oil in each barrel was 5 liters. So we need to do times. If you know the 5 table, we should know for 5 times 8 is how much. So 5 times 8 is 40. So the answer is 40 liters. So the total volume of oil sold is 40 liters. That's it for today, guys. Have a nice day. Bye.